sa naging breakup ni Kim at Sian. Ate Lakam, todo support sa kapatid. Wala nang trace na nagkasakit sila Kam Chu, ang eldest sister ni Kim Chu, na makita ko before Christmas. Magaling na siya at todo ang pasasalamat sa Diyos at kanyang buong pamilya. Grateful to have been able to spend the holidays with you and the rest of the family. #priceless. #family is love. #treasure. #my strength. #my everything. #my purpose in life. #love. Have a Merry Christmas everybody. Ang last post ni Kam kasama ang kanyang pamilya habang nasa Balisen Island after Christmas. Si Ate Kam ang tumatayong nanay ni Kim, kaya noong nagkasakit ito talagang hindi tumigil sa pagdarasal at nanghingi pa ng tulong si Kim sa fans para gumaling ang kanyang ate. April 19 this year, nang isapubliko ni Kim na naospital ang kanyang ate. Today is the different. I wish it were different. Before today ends, I want to say thank you for all your greetings and well wishes. Thank you for the flowers, cakes, and meaningful birthday messages you sent here online and personally. I am sorry I couldn't answer all your messages. Kung may hihingin man akong regalo sa inyo ngayon ay yun ay prayers para sa Ate Lakam ko. Everything happened is a snap of a finger, sabi ni Kim that time. Na-discharge si Ate Kam last May 5 base na rin noon sa post niya. I was discharged from the hospital on Friday, May 5, 2023, my 18th day of confinement. I was in a very critical stage for the first 5 days. Unable to talk, hear, and see. I couldn't even imagine. I was able to get through it. Being in this kind of situation is no joke. My family had to make a life-changing decision without them knowing if I could make it or not. Pagkatapos gumaling at bumalik ang lakas ay nag-travel sila Kam sa Italy sa Shrine of Padre Pio in San Giovanni Rotondo. Mas lumakas pa nga ang kapit nila kay Padre Pio na magkasakit siya. Finally, I was able to visit Padre Pio in San Giovanni. My heart is full and thankful that I was able to witness your grace and power. Thank you, Padre Pio. Truly, pray, hope, and don't worry. #believe. #faith. #purpose. Ngayon ay si Ate Lakam ang nakaalalay kay Kim matapos ang breakup nito kay Sian Lim. Anyway, super sexy ni Kim sa nasabing getaway nila sa isla Opaka, Ropail. Grateful for small things, big things, and everything in between. Daming fans niyang natuwa na dapat daw talaga ganon. Pinakita niya ang kaseksihan niya para manghinayang si Sian Lim. Well, sa naging breakup nga ni Kim at Sian, ay palaging nakaalalay at nasa likod nito si Ate Lakam. Kaya naman tumutok at wag na wag pahuhuli sa mga maiinit na kaganapan. Anong inyong magiging reaction sa bidyong ito? Comment below.